Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to take a look at the benefits of using tables and named ranges just to simplify your formulas and make them much easier to understand. So here's our scenario. We have two data ranges here. They're identical, and we're going to take our retail amounts and multiply them times our three discounts. And we're going to do it one with a more traditional way of using a mix of absolute and relative cell references and typical formulas versus another way of using some name ranges and structuring a table. So the first way, if I want to multiply these retail amounts times three different types of discounts, 90, 80, and 75%, which I'm calling silver, gold, and platinum, what we need to do is go into cell J4 and start the formula equals. We can click on I4. Now we know we're going to copy that, so we're going to copy it across. So we have to remember, okay, I want to lock the I but not the 4. Okay, so I got that, so I hit the F4 key twice, then times, and the percentage. Now I want to make sure I lock that on row 2, so I have to hit my F4 key twice there, and I hit enter, and that gives me my discount. Now I can copy that over, copy that down, and when I look at any formula, it's going to tell me, okay, I'm multiplying I7, so I have to look, I7 is retail, times K2, which is the 80% discount, and I can see the results there. Okay, well, that's one way to do it. Now, let's look at it from a different perspective, using tables and named ranges. Now, I'm going to go ahead and name these three discounts by the name silver, gold, and platinum. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on that cell, go to the name box, and type in silver. Click on K13, again go to the name box and type gold, and finally with platinum here on cell L13. Next, I'm going to highlight this area, and I'm going to do a Control T and create a table. It has table headers, so now it's created those. So now if I do an equals the retail times silver, and I hit enter, and do the same thing with gold, and finally, oops, sorry about that, with platinum, what have I done? First of all, as you notice with the table, I enter the first formula, it automatically copies it down. And then when I look at that formula, I can see it's very simple. It's retail times silver, it's retail times gold, or retail times platinum. So just looking at the formula tells me exactly what's going on. I don't have to sit and remember the type of references, absolute versus relative, I want to use. I don't have to remember exactly what the cell locations were. It tells me very simply in the formula. Now, something simple like I just showed you here isn't that hard to do, but if you have a very large table or you're drawing information from different worksheets, naming those and using tables makes it much easier to understand your data, understand where it's coming from, and with tables, the way it automates populating formulas all the way down a column makes that a lot simpler too. So that's it today. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you liked it. If you'd like to see more, please feel free to go to my website, excel-bytes.com, and I hope you subscribe. Happy excelling.